Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on the Robinhood app. First, download the Robinhood app from your app store and create a new account. You'll need to link your bank account to fund your investments. Make sure to complete the identity verification process, which is essential for enabling all trading features and ensuring your account is fully operational. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. Once your account is set up, it's time to add funds. Navigate to the Transfers section and initiate a deposit from your linked bank account. Robinhood often provides instant access to funds up to $1,000, allowing you to trade immediately. However, be aware that larger deposits typically require a few business days to fully process and become available for withdrawal. With funds in your account, you can now explore investment options. Use the search bar at the top of the app to find specific stocks or exchange-traded funds. Before buying, take time to review the company's details, historical performance, and relevant news. It's crucial to align your choices with your personal investment goals and understand the associated risks before proceeding. When you're ready to buy, tap the Buy button on your chosen assets page. You can then select an order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase, or specify a dollar amount for fractional shares. Always double-check all the order details, including the quantity and price, before confirming your trade to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.